How to get free spins on Temu app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get free spins on the Temu app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to get free spins on the Temu app, unfortunately, you can only get it once when you first open the Temu app. So you can see when I first open the Temu app, it basically says me sign up for a text to get 20% off and a free spin, right? So if I just tap on the submit button over here, this phone number will already be authorized. Then after you've authorized it, you'll most likely find the option to spin it from the bottom left corner of the screen. When you go to the bottom left, you'll most likely find the spin button, and if you already spinned it once when you created and signed into your account, you'll not be able to have more than that one specific option. Now if you want though, there are a couple of other ways of which I've already made a dedicated video on it. You can refer someone and earn some free gifts. You can enter coupon codes, your offers, and any type of balances that you might have on the Temu app to get some free spins. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.